Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Welcome to the day 3 of SIPMAS from the Google Stitch, and now this time this is the big one. So they have just updated their default design agent of Google Stitch to Gemini 3 Pro, and also they have added this thinking capability. So you are getting both of this Gemini 3 Pro power and this thinking capability. And with these two capability, here you see that the now output from the Google Stitch have the more impressive, and also it is clearly visible that there is a huge improvement than the previous one. And here you see, if you go to this official website of Stitch, and here in this drop down they have added this new item, which is a thinking with Gemini 3 Pro, and it prioritizes maximum quality and reasoning over speed. So you may think that as it thinks, so in that case the output will take some time, but here in this case they have kept both the speed and the think in balance so that you don't feel bored and you don't get bored, and you will get the output in a same speed as the previous one like the 2.5 Pro, but you will get the better quality output with this thinking with Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, and also they have added one thing. This agent uses advanced reasoning to think through your design before writing a single line of code. Here you see that all of the designs that they have generated, and if you want to get the code, then also you can see the code also. So they have written the code with the Gemini 3 power, and so that you get the best quality output, because they have mentioned the community has been calling Gemini 3 too good at front end. So the code that you will get from this design, if you just select this design and go to this more, there you will find this view code. Here you see that the code that they will write for this design, it is a high level and production ready code. Okay, and also here you see that all designs are backed by code and exportable to your favorite coding agent, Joule or AI Studio. I have already discussed on that. If you just select all of that and that export and Joule AI Studio and code to clipboard, this is the new option that they have added. Okay, means here is the code to clipboard, means multiple screens are copied to the clipboard, and you can just export all of these things to the cursor or Gemini, cursor or Lovable or Copilot or Windsor, any of the AI code editor. So you have to just select all of these images and click on this copy, and after that all of the images will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste them in your favorite AI code editor. Okay, this is the new features, and another features that they have added, which is the part 2. So here it is, like giving the prototype. So here you see introducing prototype, means you can select multiple screens and stitch them together into a fully functional and clickable user flow. So suppose you have generated all of these screens, and now you want to see the behavior of all of the screens and you want to merge them, and so for that just select all of that screen and click on this generate, click on this prototype. Now you will get the full prototype. How do you see that this is the full prototype that it will generate? Now select this prototype and now click on this interact, and now you can interact with this prototype. So here you see that the first screen was this. Okay, and now this is the first screen. Now click on the start adventure, and now this is second screen which is similar to this is a second screen, and now if you select any of this, and this is the third screen, that is this is a third screen. This is exactly matching, means this is the flow. If you develop this and when a user will use this app, then they will see this flow. And if you just play this, here you see that the number is also decreasing, so that means it is fully working. And also you can go to your profile page, and this is same profile page like this. Okay, so this is the scrolling part that they have also kept, like user will scroll in their screen also like in this way. Okay, So this is the prototype feature and also this new Gemini 3 Pro with thinking capability that I have discussed. So I hope that these new features will be helpful for you to make the great designs. So please make some great designs and export them into your favorite AI code editor. Just select all of that things and click on this mode, click on this export and go to this code to clipboard and copy all of that these images and paste it to that cursor, wind serve or anti-gravity or whatever or lovable. Okay, and make that website into working website. Okay, so if you found this video helpful guys, and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.